Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change or remove the default clothes in the Roblox avatar. So let's open a browser, any of the browser that you have on your Windows, and type here in the search bar roblox.com. It's roblox.com, hit enter. Then here, make sure that you have logged in into your Roblox account. You can just simply log in whenever you haven't signed in yet. Then you have to click on these three lines at the left pane, which is the nav menu. Then here you have to click on avatar. So here, this is the default clothes of my Roblox avatar. Now on how we can change this, click on the recent and select all. Now simply uncheck everything from here. So once you have unchecked everything from here, simply click on head and body, click on skin tone. Then here, just simply choose. So whenever you change the skin tone, it will also change the clothes of your Roblox avatar. You can also go with advanced. Then you have here the head. So if you want to change one by one this color on the parts of the body, then you can simply do that. You can also go with the accessories. So you have here the head like that. You also have here the so there are everything to choose from here. For the accessories, head and body, you also have the hair. So if you're a girl or if you are a boy, you can simply choose your hair from here. So I may go with a chestnut bun. Then I'm going to go with this straight blonde hair. You can also do that. So that's it. That's how you can easily change the default clothes in Roblox avatar. Just simply explore from here like clothing, accessories. You can also go with tops. So if you don't have an item right here, you can just simply scroll down, click on outwear. So there are a lot to choose from here like animations, accessories, head and body. So that's it. That's easy as how you can change the Roblox default clothes in Roblox avatar. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.